This is ITVBe. Thank you for watching us over the past years. But don't worry, our shows will be moving to ITV too. Good night and goodbye. We are experiencing some problems on ITVBe. We will be back as soon as possible. Wait, what is that music? And what is that creature? Ah, get away from me.
Help me, 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 help.
Welcome back. Looks like hackers stopped us from shutting down anyway. In change to the advertised schedule, it's the only way is Essex.